Hey, what's up guys? It's Kane from Top Wrap, and we are today at an undisclosed location with one of our really good friends, clients, and we're gonna show you a little bit of his collection. I can't tell you where we are, but follow me. Typically, after 1 month, clients bring back their cars so we can do a checkup. Since he doesn't drive the cars much and we had some little extra add-ons to do here, we said, you know what, we're gonna come here, we're gonna do the checkup at the same time. So right now, Paul's in the middle of molding the exo shield, and these are extremely popular when it comes to sports cars, lowered cars, G63s, really flat windshields or low cars. They help prevent the original windshield from getting damaged. So if ever you guys are thinking of a solution to costly windshield repairs, or if you want to keep the original windshields, this is the best thing. We even do this on a lot of track cars. So you guys might recognize this piece of Spider. It had the full protection film done on it. The exo shield is actually already installed, so once it is installed, it should look like there's nothing there. We even did ceramic tints all the way around, 35%. And you can tell this is a job done by us because every single edge of this car is just wrapped inside, tucked in nice and neat. So pretty proud of how this one came out. Also happy with how this one came out. So this is another one of his toys. Whoever actually did this job on this car did a little bit better than the Urus. It looks like the Performante that we actually have in our shop right now, except this one's a coupe. It's not a Spider. The one in the shop right now is actually a Spider, which we're almost done doing in the complete Inozatec Miami Blue. This film is actually quite complicated to install because of the molding process. It's actually a very thick film, very rigid, and to mold this onto a round windshield, it takes a lot of patience, a lot of time to get it right. And then after that, the installation is just as important. You want to clean the entire area and make sure that you reduce as much dust as possible, because this is going right on the front windshield, so it's in the line of vision. So the exo shield's pretty much installed now, just doing the final trimming. So there's always about 1/8 of an inch all the way around the windshield, just to prevent anything from lifting it, just to make sure it doesn't go over the edge. So now the whole car's protected, the windshield's protected, and our friend can enjoy this on the road. See you guys next time.